Anxiety is a common mental health issue that affects millions of people worldwide. While therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes are often recommended, diet also plays a crucial role in managing anxiety. Certain foods can have a calming effect on the mind and body, helping to reduce anxiety levels. Here are 7 of the best foods to incorporate into your diet to help manage anxiety. 1. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which have been shown to improve brain function and mood. The presence of magnesium in dark chocolate also helps to relax muscles and reduce stress. Studies suggest that consuming dark chocolate can lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and promote a sense of calm. Aim for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content to maximize its benefits. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, which can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to anxiety. The nutrients in blueberries support brain health and enhance the production of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and emotional responses. Adding a handful of blueberries to your diet can provide a natural and delicious way to help alleviate anxiety symptoms. 3. Avocados. Avocados are a rich source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support brain health. They are particularly high in B vitamins, such as B6, which are essential for the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, known for its mood-stabilizing properties. The healthy fats in avocados also help reduce inflammation and promote overall brain function. Incorporating avocados into your meals can help keep anxiety at bay. 4. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce anxiety and improve mood. Omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, play a crucial role in brain health by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy neurotransmitter function. Regular consumption of salmon or other fatty fish, such as mackerel or sardines, can help lower anxiety levels and support overall mental well-being. 5. Chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its calming effects and is often consumed as a tea. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce anxiety. Chamomile tea has been shown to increase levels of serotonin and melatonin, promoting relaxation and better sleep. Drinking a cup of chamomile tea before bedtime can be a soothing ritual to help manage anxiety and improve sleep quality. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in curry, contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Adding turmeric to your diet, whether in cooking or as a supplement, can provide significant benefits for mental health. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt, particularly those with live and active cultures, is a great source of probiotics, which support gut health. The gut-brain axis is a critical communication network, and a healthy gut can positively influence mental health. Probiotics in yogurt can help reduce inflammation and improve mood by enhancing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin. Incorporating yogurt into your daily diet can be a delicious way to support anxiety management. Incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can help reduce anxiety and promote overall mental health. While these foods can provide support, it is important to remember that managing anxiety often requires a holistic approach, including regular exercise, adequate sleep, and professional help when needed. By making mindful food choices,